Hello, my name is Rogelia Candari Antaran from Santa Cruz, Pandan, Antique. I'm an ordinary YouTuber and I want to ask help about problems here in Philippines. We have a biggest problems. We cannot stop corruptions in Philippines. The biggest problems that why there's so many people suffering for corruptions and poverty. To all president and prime minister all over the world, please give me a time to request or watch my video. I have a YouTube channels and my name in YouTube channels is Rogelia Candari Antaran Vlog. I do this not for myself, to all Filipinos that they are waiting. They are waiting for changes. Honest is, I've been in Denmark in how many years? I worked hard in Denmark because of I dream to build my own houses. Yeah. And I decided to come back here in Philippines in one reason. I want to rest. I work hard since I'm 18 years old. In this time, it's time to take a rest for a while. Maybe someday, yeah, I will go back because my daughter is still there in Denmark. I want to ask a favor to all country where I know is not corrupt country all over the world, or especially in country Europe. I know that Europe is a rich country. There's no corruptions in Europe, and I'm asking to all over the world that they can help us to stop corruptions in Philippines. I want that, I hope someday corruption stop to our beloved country, Philippines. There's a lot of problems. Honest is, I want to help a little using this video. I wish that Philippines can have protections because do you remember that in Philippine Sea, Philippines part of map. Philippine Sea is a Filipino island that we want that we can have it back. I cannot understand that Chinese people or guard, they harass Filipino Coast Guard. And I cannot accept or watch that they make trouble to Filipino Coast Guard. I wish that they can stop them. Stop harassment. Because I'm a Filipina too, and I cannot see them that they make it for fun only to harass and then do it again and again and again. This time I want to do this to us stop corruptions in Philippines. It's because I wish to have a better life. I wish that all young generation can have a better life. I wish to all Filipino that they can have a pre-hospital and preschool. Because all parents here, they have a credits to survive for living and to send their kids in school. And they need to pay for them, for their own studies. And if we are going to the hospital, public hospital, it's look like a ship. Inside is almost nothing. It's look like if you use the bed is very old. And there we need money. We need to use money in important things instead of the stolen money. They didn't stop. Honestly, they continue to make corruptions every time they come a new elected. We need, guys. We need, sir, mom. We need your help. I hope that everything is gonna be okay. But you know, we cannot do this alone. There's a lot of YouTuber also that they make a vlog. They make a video. So maybe they can hear what they are doing. And says, I'm not happy that they censor Roa Duterte in the prison for bullshit reason only. When I saw him in television, it's a news that someone do like that, pointed like that. I feel like we're dying. I feel like all Filipino feel that, you know, doing like that to someone, especially the important person in Philippines, I feel very, very heartbreak. And we're not happy for this. I will ask help. I know that someone already asked help to USA to help us about the harassment in Philippine Sea. I hope that they always okay, because you know sometimes is if it's only Filipino there in Philippine Sea, they harass again and again and again. And I cannot understand why they pushing Filipino away to that area. It's a Filipinos property. Please, sir, and to all president and prime minister all over the world, I hope that this video can help all Filipino to have a better life, modern life that like abroad, so we can have easy job, easy how to earn money. Thank you so much. I hope that they can help Philippines. God bless you all. Bye.